Hey everyone, I recently got my Cricut Joy Extra and I decided to do the unboxing with you all. So this is the box that it came in. It's a nice pretty box. I am pretty excited to open it because I have been longing to get it for such a long time and it's finally here. Yay! So let's open it. When you open the box, this is the envelope you find. We are going to open it later. Let's unbox the machine first. This is the machine. It's so nice to look at it first. White and nice. And it's packed in this plastic very carefully. Let's set it aside. It came with a very nice pointer pen. Black color. And it has the adapter and the wire. It actually comes in such a nice packaging. I'm in love with that as well. Here's the adapter. A tiny weeding tool. How cute is this? So now let's see what's in this envelope. Let's open it up. Let me find the scissors and let's open it just like this. And here it is. You find a little manual with all the details and a card to get you started with the Cricut design space, warranty card. The machine also comes with some sample stocks. This is the transfer paper. This is vinyl, the permanent vinyl in the black color. This is also the permanent vinyl, and the gold color is the vinyl for the iron-on vinyl. And this is actually the transfer tape. The first one, I guess it was for the label. I have yet to try it on, so I'm also a bit confused. I will give a detailed proper review once I use the machine a little bit as well. So a little more weight. Thank you. So now it's turn for the machine. So I am now removing the plastic sheet from it. I'm using the scissor. You can use it. Use your hands, whatever suits you. Then when you open it, there is a fine point blade already inside the machine. And a little foam securing it. It feels so good to finally be able to have my hands on this machine. I cannot wait to try it. Feels so good. It's such a nice I cannot explain. I guess you have to feel it. You have to, only crafters will understand. So I did not only order the machine, I also ordered it with the starter pack. So I have some materials to try my hands on. And now let's open the starter pack. And this is what came with the starter pack. I'll show you one by one. Let's see. And this is how the starter pack came. The paper, and we got some tools, the weeding tool and all these tools. A little bit of close-up. The glitter pens in silver, golden and black. And this is the vinyl. Iron-on vinyl. It's black in black, white and red color. This is the permanent vinyl, smart vinyl in black color. And this is the transfer tape. It also came with a pack of sticker print and cut. It's the Cricut sticker papers. These are included in the starter pack. There are different starter packs. If this was the starter pack that most suited me, and this is the mat. So this is the unboxing. I will show you the working of the Cricut machine very soon. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing with me. It's a little short video because I wanted to do the step by step. First I wanted to do the unboxing, then the other steps to show you all. Then next I will show you the Cricut design space and my first time using it. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye.